Welcome back to Blazin Tech, guys. We have a great special request here. Is how do you update my Mac? This is a great question I get asked all the time. Here we will click on the top left of the screen. We'll click on the little apple. We click on System Preferences. Click on Software Updates, and we click on here. You see how its updates are available for your Mac. We click on Update, and now we wait because it's gonna take a little while. So we'll see you back shortly. Also, guys, here you have an option to automatically keep my Mac up to date. You could click that to have the Mac automatically update your machine for you. So it'll check for updates. It will download new updates when available. Install Mac OS updates. Install app updates from the App Store. Install system data files and security updates. This is a good feature to have if you don't want to worry about making sure your Mac is always up to date. Well, now we will continue back to waiting because we're about little over a half of the download. We'll be back shortly. Okay, guys, we are back once again. And my computer saying your Mac is up to date. Mac OS Catalina 10.15.7 is up to date. Let's go ahead and go back and let's verify that it still says it's up to date. Go ahead and verify it a different way. We click on that apple. We click on About This Mac. We click on Software Update, and still it shows that it's been up to date. So that concludes this video, guys. If you need any more questions, if you have any more questions, any more comments, please feel free to do so. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please feel free. Also, if you have not turned on your post notifications so you can stay up to date, I will do so. And if not, there is nothing else for me to say. When we will see you on the next video. Peace out.